Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to bronchitis to ease. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Bronchitis is an inflammation of the bronchial tubes that carry air into the lungs. The inflammation leads to a persistent cough that can go on for weeks or longer. The cough may be wet as mucus production increases as a result of the inflammation. Bronchitis usually develops after a bout of common cold. It can cause chest pain, breathing difficulty, and wheezing. Other symptoms of bronchitis include fever, sore throat, runny nose, fatigue, and body aches. Bronchitis is one of the leading reasons for adults to visit doctors. Although many patients think that antibiotics will help them, in many cases, they don't, because the condition is usually a result of a viral infection. Antibiotics are helpful in treating bacterial infections, but not inflammatory conditions like bronchitis. You can help your body to recover from the condition using natural treatments, including the following 10 home remedies for bronchitis. Home remedy number 1. Water. The human body is 80% water. It is, therefore, no wonder that water helps us to recover from many health conditions. Drinking water throughout the day is one of the easily accessible ways to get rid of bronchitis. Bronchitis causes inflammation of the airways. This leads to irritation, increased production of mucus, and persistent coughing. When you keep sipping on water throughout the day, you provide a cooling effect on the throat by keeping it moistened. Water also provides your body with increased hydration, which helps to reduce the viscosity of the mucus so that it is easier to cough up. You can also take other fluids like fresh fruit juice for similar effects. Gargling with salt water can also help soothe the throat. If you're constantly coughing over an extensive period, chances are you're affected by bronchitis. Bronchitis is a common respiratory ailment caused by virus, bacteria, and other irritants like smoke. These irritants might aggravate your bronchial tubes that are responsible for bringing air to your lungs. Although bronchitis can be treated with cough suppressants, they are likely to leave you with side effects like dry mouth or drowsiness. So, swap your suppressants for the following home remedies: bronchitis that'll treat your ailment and keep you fit and healthy all way round. Consume ginger. When it comes to home remedies for bronchitis, ginger is perhaps one of the best ways to treat the issue. According to some researchers, gingers have an anti-inflammatory impact against your respiratory ailment. So, when you take ginger, there's a high possibility that it'll treat this issue right away. You can chew the dried forms of crystallized ginger, use fresh ginger for whipping up a cup of tea, consume it raw, or take it in the form of capsules. But while you can always use the capsule forms of ginger, it is always better to consume it in its natural variants. Bacterial and viral infections cause bronchitis, and the symptoms begin to subside after a few days. It's common for people in the early stages of the disease to develop low fever and a runny nose as the body ramps up T-cell production to fight off the invading cells.